bicycle, man? Is he carrying a bag? Is that an elderly person? Yeah, I think so. He didn't have much hair anyway. So from my point of view, it looked like an older guy. But one shouldn't be too quick to judge. But he was on the older side of the spectrum. Let's just say that. He wasn't on the younger side. Now for the question, where does that spectrum go from young to old? Is it at 20, 30, 40, 50? Depends on what you're doing, I would say. Just living, I would say 60 plus maybe. Well, if you're gonna divide it into two, it should be around like 40, 50. Then you're starting to get older. But you're not old just because you're 50 or 40. Also depends on your lifestyle, I would say, and how you've lived. You can be 50 and have a healthy life and be feeling like you're 30, or you can be 30 feeling like 50 because you treat your body like shit and everything else like shit in your life. So if you want to feel young, treat your body right, eat right, train right. I'm not saying you have to be Mr. Olympia, but you can at least try and have a better life. Yeah, better physicality. Look at me, from motorcycle vlogger to fitness influencer. It's crazy how fast you can switch your career path. Just the other day I was a factory worker. So it's you can change your aspirations pretty quick. And that truck right there is going to the factory which I work at. Pretty sick, huh? I wonder how many Volvos there are in Sweden. It has to be the most frequent car you see. I see Volvos every day. In fact, okay, just because of that I can't see a Volvo right now. Yes, I can. There's one over there. Two over there at least. The pink car is coming up with me. I wonder why I'm standing here. I'm an idiot. That's why. I always do this. I think it's a long line, but it's not worth it. It's gonna become green when I'm cutting up, and then it's red for a while. And I'm just standing there, look like an idiot because I didn't filter through. And then when it's time for me to go through, the light turns red. Of course, this time it didn't. But that's just because there were some cars behind me. If there weren't any cars behind me, I think it would have turned yellow as I was going. But you know me, I'm a savage, I don't care about that, I would just gun it. Yeah, there's a lot of cars out. I always choose the worst times to ride, because right now people are going home from work, school, whatever they're doing. There's a lot of traffic. That's not nice with the traffic. I want to have free flow, you know, be able to go where I want, how fast I want. I can go where I want, but not how fast I want, because these guys are freaking slow. Didn't he come from there? Freaking idiot. If you're wondering why I'm singing the American National Anthem, don't ask me, because I don't know. I got no idea, man. Sometimes I let go of the steering wheel just for fun. It's the only time I feel thrill and excitement in my life. No, I'm just kidding. That sounded too depressing when I said it. And I'm not that depressed. You know, I'm pretty inflated. Wait, what? I'm not making any sense right now. As usual. Look at me. Speed maniac. You didn't see that. Look at the cyclist. That's a good cyclist. He's behaving. He's on the sidewalk, not the freaking road. That's awesome. You love to see it. You just love to see it. They also put speed bumps up here. So these cars are gonna slow down, which means I have to slow down, even if I don't have to slow down for the actual speed bump. The cars are my speed bumps. That car is my son. Yeah. You're my son. Answer to me, boy. You must do as I say. And I say, turn right. Oh, you naughty boy. That deserves a spanking. You're lucky I can't reach you from back here, though.